it was really important to come to Pakistan and one, again, see all the different range of environments there are in Pakistan and really trying to get a feel of the country, but also to use our voice, to lend our position and our visit to kind of talk about issues like climate change, issues about the environment, and we've seen all around the world now the young are getting very engaged in what's going on, and I think it's fantastic that we can all come together and really have a very good conversation about what we need to do, and the action needs to happen very soon because a lot of people rely on this, and if we take too long about this we will lose many of the precious things we care about.
Almost 300 meters back with the pace of 10 meters per annum. And it is leaving this big lake behind as a terminal lake that is a threat to local community because sometimes the ice calving, it can destabilize the damming material and it can cause flooding. And local people over here, they have hydropower generation plants, bridges, road network. So
do the glaciers flood at any other times of the year? So when the monsoons come and the rains come, does it reach up here as well and affects?
Not in Hindu Kush. Monsoon mostly approaches in Karakoram.
Right.
So the glaciers in Hindu Kush, they are mainly nourished by the western disturbance in winter.
Okay. This will come through the house when it flooded?
It did, yes. So this was an RMS at the time that
we have to mobilize the person to prevent further transport.
do you have all the kit? Do you have all the
We have provided toolkits to secure safety teams, and we are such as
All local around here, are they?
no, not only in this village. We have
it's very difficult to get to everybody. One of the best approaches is, I believe, they use schools. So in cases of emergencies and disasters, that's where everybody heads to.
And do you think this sort of training is very important for your community?
तो आपको लगता है कि ये ज़रूरी है ये काम करना ये So it's of the utmost importance, absolutely. The 2015 question, which was on and we weren't quite so good at, it this sort of helps us feel somewhat more individual in terms of, being able to help where I'm at.
Were they all here for the 2015?
जब 2015 का सलाह आया था आप लोग सारे यहाँ पे थे? All of them.
Was it quite scary? What sort of what time of day did it happen?
किस दिन के किस टाइम पे सैलाब आया था और आप लोग कहाँ पे थे और आप लोगों को क्या महसूस हुआ मुझे थोड़ा